Question tags quiz. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks using the correct question tag. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. She's from Spain, blank. Is it A, doesn't she? B, is she? C, isn't she? Or D, has she? The correct answer is C, isn't she? She's from Spain, isn't she? You don't like chocolate, blank. Is it A, do you? B, can you? C, don't you? Or D, are you? The correct answer is A, do you? You don't like chocolate, do you? They were ill again, blank. Is it A, was they? B, aren't they? C, weren't they? Or D, wasn't they? The correct answer is C, weren't they? They were ill again, weren't they? We can't play a little longer, blank. Is it A, couldn't we? B, should we? C, can't we? Or D, can we? The correct answer is D, can we? We can't play a little longer, can we? Let's go for a walk, blank. Is it A, will we? B, shall we? C, do we? Or D, must we? The correct answer is B, shall we? Let's go for a walk, shall we? Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more on question tags.